Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
High Power Committee kalarai ban Pyllait Purano ikikali ban yat lingba ka Jingkieng hadam Umïam, Henry ka Jingkia kikali kibayat ka de banong Tang Hapoh saw metric ton. Ya kani karai la shim hagajingalang jong ka High Power Committee ka balapan yat de usumbut menteri rangba uba Presiden song hagajingalan lang menteri ka tanat boarding U80 Mondal kabalalong ha Secretariat mentakala sngi ublay ka arpakhanai tarik naitung araja arpasaw. Habapan benaya kani karai lingba kilat wathai khobor Mondal ulaong Bayaki kali kebawan mat persya na baro arliang jong ka Jingkieng hadam Umïam en Pyllait Purano Tangba en Shah Tang iki kali kebadan ka Jingkia Hapoh saw metric ton bat hadin shitayo en pet ho biang bat lada ka long ka babiang en Shah yaki kali kebakit yaki jingkit bakham kya wat hadu khat ar metric ton tumentangin sngap yaki jingbatai menteri ka tanat boarding U80 Mondal halor kani karai
High Power Committee for the Umïam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinshong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways. And this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umïam bridge is concerned. I was telling you earlier also, today also I want to tell you that this entire work is having 2 components. One component is the dam and the other component is the bridge above the spillway. As the traffic is concerned on the bridge and dam, the portion where the retrofitting work for the bridge is required, it is completed. And further retrofitting may require that we will decide later on if it requires at all. But for the present scope of work, it has been completed. As per dam is there, almost all the works on the top surface is completed. But still we need to go for grotting in the gallery portion, and that will not hamper the movement of traffic. And also little work is left for the repairing of the cracks in the upstream space of the bridge, and small minor works are there. This will not hamper as per movement of traffic is concerned. So the entire cost as of now it is around 19.9 crore for Umïam Dam only.
So can we conclude now that the dam and the bridge is safe?
See, the question is that safe on what basis?
Like for movement of vehicles.
That's why we are restricting for light motor vehicles only. It is not safe to allow heavy vehicles to move on the dam and the bridge.
So the life of the bridge has increased as.
Yeah, with this load restriction, life has increased. But if we allow heavy vehicles, then there may be further deterioration of the bridge, and also dam may happen. That will lead to the further seepage of the dam, and also there may be further crack in the bridge.
So how will you ensure that these heavy vehicles don't lie in the?
Yes, we have discussed on that, and earlier also we put barrier, but somehow or other the restriction, though we contained, but as per some allegations that heavier vehicle also passes the bridge. That's why we have decided that this time we will put permanent barrier so that heavy vehicle with some height cannot enter.
So what is the alternative for heavy vehicles?
Like night super buses and
They will ply the same way they are plying now.
Same way, man.
Means they will not enter.
They will not. They will enter the city, but they will not cross the bridge. Actually, see, as the construction work was going on, so the through which this water was taken out, this got blocked, so water could not go. Now we have removed all this blocked. Those seepage water now can easily pass through. Second thing is that we have gone for some more holes to carry out the water. So there won't be any question of water logging there.
Just one final question.
Today IIT professor was with us, the consultant. He was with us only because I was making sure that he should be present to this meeting. That's why, as he was busy, first he was out of station. Second thing, that he was in charge for the introduction of 1,100 IIT students, freshers, into the college. So he could not give us time. That's why we have come to the end of our target date also. That is the reason.
The reason not irony that you are spending 19 crore, 19.9, and you are saying that no, we cannot bring the heavy vehicles. That means then it should have continued the whole way. You improved a lot of money spent, no?
No, that is there, but see, 19 crore money is spent to not only for bridge. Bridge component is around 64 lakhs only. Our major concern is the dam. So in the dam, the major chunk of money has gone. And moreover, not only that, this is a regular repair and renovation is also there. There is another component of around 2 point some crore, where we are going to paint the radial gate, we are going to remove the old rubber seal, put the new rubber seal. We have put the spiral gate to go on top of the main structure, and then also that catwalk new we have put. So all this, there are three components. One component is civil work. The civil work is basically for the dam, and second one is the electromechanical work. That electromechanical work, whether you repair or not repair, you'll have to do it. So we took this opportunity to work all together at the same time. The third thing is that the retrofitting of the bridge, which is around 64 lakhs.
So what is the lifespan of the bridge?
See, as we know, all of us, we know that lifespan of the bridge is almost expired. So with this thing, and if the load restriction is there, you can say that we have added another 2 decades into that. But then we should be very strict in that.
So